Hola chicos, in this part 2 video, we're going to be talking about the difference between the two verbs ser and estar. It's important to talk about this difference because if you notice, they both mean to be. So in English, when we talk about these things, we'll use the same verb, to be. In Spanish, there's two different verbs and they're differentiated. We'll talk about the uses. So we just went over the uses for estar, for how you feel and where you are. Always use the verb estar. So anytime you have a feeling or location, more like temporary conditions, you're going to use estar. Ser is different, and we have the acronym TOP to talk about ser. T stands for time or date. So when you're telling time, you always say es la una or son las cuatro. When you're saying the date or your birthday, you're always using es el 20 de marzo. Right? Occupation, or O. O stands for occupation and origin, as in where you are from, because where you are from is something that's going to be permanent, that will never change. And then P stands for personality, or like more permanent characteristics. So ser versus estar. Ser is used for more, it's just not used for temporary things. The best thing that you can do is remember that feelings and location always use estar. Any sort of temporary condition, always use estar. Everything else, you'll use ser, essentially. Okay, so let's just go through and review the conjugations. Ser, we have yo soy, tú eres, él, ella, usted es, nosotros somos, vosotros sois, ellas, ellos, ustedes son. Then for estar, we have yo estoy, tú estás, él, ella, usted está, nosotros estamos, vosotros estáis, ellos, ellos, ustedes están. Okay? Now, what do they mean? In English, these will always mean the same thing, right? But in Spanish, you have to differentiate. So they mean I am, you are, he, she is, or you formal are. Nosotros means we are. This is y'all are. They are, or you all are. So now we're going to just practice, and we're going to circle the one that goes with the sentence. So like taking the sentence in English, would I use ser or estar? I'm just going to circle them. This is a good point to pause and then come back and check your work after you do this on your own. I am American, ser. It's not a feeling, it's location. In fact, it has to do with origin. So that is ser. We are tired. That is a feeling. She is tall. That is like a permanent characteristic. Ser. It's also not a feeling or location, right? My friends are in the school. Location, estar. The girls are happy. The girls are happy. Feeling, estar. The book is blue. Permanent characteristic, ser. We are smart. Permanent characteristic, ser. My dad is at home. Location, estar. Where are you from? Whoops. Where are you from? That is de donde eres. It's asking about somebody's origin, so that is ser. The teacher is in the office. Location, estar. We are students. This is like a profession. It's also not a feeling, and it's not a location. We are students is ser. It is 3 o'clock. Time, date. Ser, I am nervous. Feeling, estar. I am from Minnesota. Origin, ser. I am in Minnesota. Location, estar. Best thing to remember, for how you feel and where you are, always use the verb estar. Gracias, chicos. Hasta luego.